Next up, we're going to be making the diamond that goes in the middle. So first, go to Construct and select Offset Plane. Select this face right here. Drag it up until it says 13 millimeters. Then press OK. After that, go to Create Sketch and select the plane that you just made, which is right there. And now click on P on your keyboard and select this circle right here, like that. Then press OK. That will give us the outline of the circle there for reference. And now hide body number 1. And now you're left with this. Hide sketch number 1 as well. And now you want to go to Create, Polygon, and select the top one. And then go to the center. It will show you the 2 dotted lines like that. And drag it out, make it 5 millimeters, and change the sides to 8. And show body number 1. And you want it to line up perfectly. Like this. It will show you a vertical blue line, like that. Then click. Once you've done that, click on Finish Sketch. Show Sketches. Hide body number 1. Rotate. Go to Extrude. Select the sketch you just made. Make it -7. And change the angle to -45. You should get something like this. Then press OK. Then go to Extrude again by clicking E. Select the top face and make this one 2 millimeters and enter. And one more time, press E. Select the top face and make this one 2 millimeters, but change the angle to -45. You should get something like this. Then press OK. Once you have that, show body number 1, and then right click on body number 2 and drag it up until, if you turn on sketch number 1, this point here is right in the middle, like that. And then press OK. Hide sketch number 1, and that's your second part done. Now press save, and that's it for part 2.